This is the Monte Vista historic district of San Antonio, and it's one of the wealthiest neighborhoods in the inner belt of San Antonio. Let's check out Mulberry Ave. Doesn't that street name just sound like there's going to be wealthy people on it? And if you're saying not really, then I don't know, maybe you're right. It's like rich people always pick living up on a hill like this in cities. What's that all about? If you haven't been impressed with these houses so far, there's a few good ones coming up. We'll hook a right here on Agarita Ave. A lot of cool old cars and European and expensive cars in the driveways too. Wow, look at that pup. That cat looks lethal. I don't know if you saw that. We'll continue down this way. This reminds me a little bit of the wealthy neighborhood I was in St. Louis, Missouri last year. Got a similar feel to that. That's cute. So now we're turning right onto McCullough Ave. I was at a barbecue joint on this street a little earlier. And then there's the city in the background. All right, put it in the comments. What did you think of that neighborhood? What was your favorite house?